Hello friends, today I'm bringing you an octopus, and I've made this octopus from an egg carton. I just cut one of the little cups out of the bottom like so, and I used some paper for his legs, and then you can use some white paper to make his eyes and decorate him with crayons or markers. If you have paint, you can paint your egg cup. I colored this one with a crayon. The crayon, it doesn't cover as nicely maybe as paint or a marker would, but if you have those items, feel free to use them. If you have Google eyes, those would be great on your octopus as well. And I challenge you to see what else you can create with an egg carton. I did the octopus, he was simple and easy, but what other fun things can you make? So today we're just going to do his legs. Now the octopus has 8 legs, so you would need to cut 8 strips of paper. I'm not going to do the whole 8. I'm sure you don't want to watch that all day long, but after you take one, just take your pencil and hold one end of the paper firmly and put your thumb above the pencil and the paper and just run it down like so, and it'll curl up. So you've got a neat little leg for your octopus. And the end you were holding, you can glue inside of your egg cup. And you can put 8 of those around. And like I said, you can then give them a face and a mouth.